I think the character in Golmaal 1 is very close to the way I am. Well, Mithun da I have worked with in C Company before, and he's a very professional, very sincere actor. Ajay, yeah, he's a prankster, but he's not like, not in bad way. So it's a much bigger film than Golmaal 2 and Golmaal 1. Hi, this is Tushar here, and here's wishing all the viewers of BollywoodHangama.com a very happy Diwali. I'm very excited because it's a Diwali release and it's Golmaal 3. But I'm very nervous also because I've won awards for Golmaal 1 and Golmaal Returns, and now I'm waiting with anticipation to know what people think about my performance in Part 3. See, in the first part, my character was very naughty. At the same time, there was a lovable quality. Second part, there's an innocence to the character because he's trying to save his sister's marriage. In the third part now, we've kept that lovable quality, that cuteness about the character, but this time he's more aggressive. He's more, there's an anger in him. There's a lot of aggression and very emotional guy. So, and there's a special emotional scene of this Gunga character with all the other brothers. So that is something new for me. So the character now is very, very new in many, many ways, yeah. I would say in a way 3 is even more family oriented than Golmaal Returns. Because Golmaal Returns में भी थोड़ा infidelity का एक था. It is a little bit of an adult topics थे उसमें. लेकिन Golmaal 3 is very clean film. It's an entirely family friendly movie. Now it's like also there's more action in Golmaal 3. There are more sequences of humor. So there's more masala than Golmaal Returns also. Now there are more characters also. So it's a much bigger film than Golmaal 2 and Golmaal 1. Well, Mithun da I have worked with in C Company before, and he's a very professional, very sincere actor. You know, his image is of a very star, like a star image of a rock star, dancing star. But nobody really knows that, you know, he's so serious about his work. It's not just like this, like that only that he's won so many national awards. He's very serious. He comes and watches a shot, he analyzes it, he tries to better himself. And comedy तो हम लोग अभी आजकल ऐसे बोलते हैं कि comic genre में ये अच्छा है, वो अच्छा है. But Mithun da and all have done this like years back in all their movies. For them it's a cakewalk. Actors like Rishi Kapoor, Mithun da, Kunal I've done Dhol with before, so he's a friend of mine. I mean, it's not like I'm working with him for the first time. So we have a rapport already, and in this film he's translating in many scenes what I am trying to say. Ajay, yeah, he's a prankster, but he's not like, not in bad taste, in good taste. I mean, just scaring people, thoda bahut. Fun stuff, like, you know, one friend of mine had come from Bombay. We scared him as if there are ghosts in Ramoji Film City and all. So these are very normal things. I think the character in Golmaal 1 is very close to the way I am. You know, there's a little naughtiness, a little innocence bhi hai. He's very casual. Thoda matlab ki कभी-कभी शरारतें भी करता है. He takes sides a little bit, you know, like मस्ती थोड़ा बहुत, you know, आग लगाना types. So that is close to me. I mean, I'm not an आग लगाने वाला type, but थोड़ा fun तो इधर-उधर होना चाहिए ना यार. Yeah, actually, people here associate me with a lot of comedy because of Golmaal and Kya Khule Hum, but I have done serious and romantic roles before. Now again, I'm going to be doing I've done a romantic film. I've completed it called Love You Mr. Kalakar, which will release in Feb with Rajshri. And then there's Shore for Balaji, which is again a serious slice of life film where I'm playing a criminal. Then there's Ran Bhola Ran, which is coming, which is again Neeraj Vora style, Masi comedy. And there's Hum Tumar Shabana for Sagal Bellery, which is a comic film, but my role is very serious. Of a corporate guy, very proper, very serious. So I'm doing a variety of things now. Again, I'll be bringing all those different genres that I've done before all over again. Let's hope these work again. Then people again will associate me with romantic films. यहाँ पर I mean आपकी last film से आपको associate किया जाता है. I think there is an audience that is waiting to watch Golmaal 3 because it's a brand, Golmaal associated with it, and they think that they had fun in 1 and 2, so they will enjoy 3 also. Yeah, that confidence I have. Kitni chalegi, I don't know. वो तो audience दिखाएगी, वो audience decide करेगी. But it's a good film. It's very entertaining. It's emotional also, and people will leave the theater saying that we want to see it again.